Yɛde ni gye ma wakɔ no ha shows ni ɛna nso yɛbɛtoa yɛn adesua no so na sɛ ne yɛka ne daa no video so a wohu yi ɛhɔ mo bibia akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ awofoɔ ne anuanom a wɔkɔ school efin kwala from 6 years ɛde kɔ 70 years sɛ wɔ mmerɛ a wɔde bɛsua computer de a ɛsɛ ne yɛnim no yɛmmerɛ a yɛwɔ mu yi 21st century no computer na LED attack no our technology akwanya aba owiase no enti sama wakɔ ababim na yɛsan ka sɛ subscribe channel no subscribe ko video no na wo hwɛ a bon sɛ subscribe wase pa on sɛ sisa subscribe button no so na subscribe ɛno na boa sɛ the videos foforo ba wobenya alert at the same time wo comment bi ana adwenkyerɛ bi ɛwɔ video bi ho a na waka comment na ya pɛne sɛ wobɛma yɛn topic bi a wonte ase papa na yɛnu hina abom ahwehwem yɛsua ne yɛnte ase no ɛda ase mebisa wo sansɛm we boa me ne ya no so wo pɛ sɛ wo so wo computer de ade na betumi aboa ma wanya electricity ana yina mahoden ɛde a power wo computer okay woka power cord ana say power cable a wuntin ano na baboa yen saa kwan so asembu say to so mienu bonioma miensa a ɛyɛ cable ana ahoma ye de connect computer any computer adie bia that is any computer hardware device to the computer system. Okay. Ubo USB cable, VGA cable, HDMI cable, RJ11 cable, any no hook ne ba wire there wuntin. A cable sa ya de connect computer. Nti ene ya addition ya beka computer connectors. Connectors. Na connectors no ena edumre bi efren cables. Connector ne ya na no left and right any connector ena afi ya benya cable na join connectors na say ne ka ho no ntino saa ne be frame connector ana say cable nti the papa mu no connector no ene na no a wo de be connection ana wo de one computer hardware ebe connect another computer hardware cable no nano left and right and different connectors shane so enti ya hwe saa connectors no mienu ye wo male a ye friend plug and a female ye friend port and I say jack enunti yɛmfa ne sɛ wo monitor, wo mouse, camera, printer, keyboard, ni bibia o pese o de connect computer. Gisa wunya sa plug no, ne port no. Asa sa de na ye adwuma. Di shane so. Enti yɛnhwɛ sa mfoni a wo hu. Hwɛ mouse no. Ɛbon yɛ da ha mouse pointer ne nanam so. Wei ne fa ne jack ana port. Enti wo hwɛ symbol yɛ da ho ya. On say a headset and a headphone o de besha ha ti ne plug no o de besha sa port we no sara na symbol ya da hi actually USB ti wo de USB no pen drive no e be wura sa port we no nti no port no ana jack no ene ebon na wo de plug no e be wura mu shane so anunti ebini we a plug is a plug way ahoma na so this are 3 pins plug way ya de kwa share socket him the socket no say 3 pins flat ti uhwe shape na mana omwe mu yan shane so uhwe sa plug ya da here 2 in 1 hose ya gugu hey anu no ye port no ena ahai de kwa hai plug na male ti wenum ye female nti yanhwe e betumi use no nti uhu samfoni a the same thing that I plug in, but ekura female, that is the hole called the port. And now ba we mu so a oba banya sa male no aye pins na ewo mu ano ne friend plug nti udi plug no ebe wura sa holes we miensen na sa plastic free na no ha ko be amede mouse no enam no plug no ano so ba be fit ana ba be she kasie we mu na sa ebon we no so aye pins we ewo wura no push akom nti share so say plug no ana cable aye kura no you want male and female. Anytime you have a connection, you need a male and then a female connector to make a connection. Into ube here male plug, any female, that is a port or jack. Into yaba microphone sumwa near friend jack. Into way a jack also a bond that way jack and a female. Any side way a plug to Shannon so. Sarah na we so a female na we a male but we na 2-in-1 also born be dem we so kwa ko rabi bi tisha ne so ya to aso a we ya dai we Apple computer and Apple devices and Mac devices we ya friend Thunderbolt we a USB ma Apple the nim ni na chi baby odo be she bi abafa Sarah na we to Apple phone no amwa man bi Thunderbolt do hwe we bon we dey we e be kwa ko wrem. So this is the port and this is the plug, the male and the female. But we in a USB plug sani e be kan what is the male Apple we need the Thunderbolt ba be share sa bon we na sa bon we me da see. Types of computer cables and our connectors. There were 80. I'm sure we may know what kakra. No short form 80, 80A, Cat5, NA, DVI, S/PDIF. No, West no. But modern also me mama ejuma. Kona kwa meaning kakra. Addition sani no. Mekani hina obey lazy. And also fire research kakra fa. Medasi. Into 80 used with early keyboards, 80 used with hard drives and disk drives. Into Shannon so sana ye kan ye be hu ni phone but ma o rem fi baby a ye use no cables ni bi wa na connectors ni bi wa yetumi use no mia bebre nya faako ti Shannon so ye wo Cat5 used with network cards, coaxial used with TV and projectors, composite used with TV, projectors and consoles. So composite in the between an RCA cable. Your display port. Modern computers never you use a display port TV. The monitor. DVI used with monitors, projectors and other displays. SPDIF used with DVD and surround sound. If you are yaba Molex, our computer system unit inside computer adadano old system units. And now we share Molex power cable used inside your computer, IDE or EIDE, and also your old used with hard drives and disks. You use your computer adadano parallel cables, now parallel ports used with printers, S-video used with projectors, digital camera and other displays. SATA used with hard drives and disk drives, and then SCSI used with hard drives, tape drives and disk drives. If you have serial cables or serial ports used with a mouse and modem, send them a kind of Thunderbolt, Apple devices and use a Thunderbolt. Then USB used with keyboard, mouse, printer, MP3 players and thousands of other devices. There are two main types of computer cables. Sanya data cable, a power cable. Sometimes you bet to me hybrid. Say cable back up and to me my power. Essential transfer data. A bit is a USB. So, you know what the USB share phone more. So one year transfer of files. I won't say a charge phone. Bet to me the transfer of files. A be ejuma. So say USB. A hybrid computer cable or connector. The kind na ne abɔ no tofan, types of plugs and ports. The shene super mami let waso. Ano nti port no sɛ na mekan ɛne ɛbɔn no the picture ya abayo yɛda wɔ nyinaa yɛ ɛbɔn a yɛde plugs ɛbɛkɔ akɔ wurawuram anaa yɛde bɛkɔ akɔ hyehyɛ mu ndase nhwɛ ne yie paa nti yɛba connectors no so a yɛ group wɔm yɛwɔ nea yɛde connect keyboard ne mouse yɛwɔ nea yɛde connect storage devices yɛde yɛ networking yɛde yɛ audio yɛde yɛ video egum yɛ group no ebi wɔ hɔ etumi yɛ adwuma no bebree nya baako pɛ nti wohwɛ keyboard na wobɛhu sɛ yɛwɔ USB ɛne saa serial PS2 serial port ne na yi bebree wɔ ha woba storage so a woba benya SATA eSATA saa woba ase ha wobɛhyiahyia saa network port yi ne VGA serial port yi bi ɛwɔ ha yɛkɔ yɛ anim a woba bɛto audio saa port yi nyinaa no maka kyerɛ sɛ audio deɛ ɛyɛ about music or sound nti no na yi deɛ no yɛfrɛ no jack the port deɛ no yɛfrɛ no jack marriage nti wɛnu nyinaa yɛ jacks woyɛ no firi hɔ a woba bɛto video VGA SVGA male and female display port male and female saa ana waba power power nso wɔ ne deɛ electricity to bɛbɛ hyehyɛ saa course yi anaasɛ saa connectors yi nyinaa wɔ ha okay wei yɛ audio cable types hyɛ ne nso yɛbɛka ho asɛm akyire mahyɛ da na mede picture na ma audio no nso yɛbɛtreat no special yɛ a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ sound and engineer no yɛhu the right way of connecting and what to use at the appropriate time and that's it nti yɛhwɛ VGA yɛwɔ ne male ɛne ne female nti no hyɛ ne nso DVI male female HDMI male female thank you nti yɛhwɛ VGA cable yɛ da ya obɛhu sɛ yɛwɔ no ne male no sorry female ni ɛna male na da ha no nti obɛtumi yɛ connection yɛwɔ ne black wei no male ni hyɛ ne nso woba ha wobɛba bɛhyia converter DVI to HDMI converter saa poles nti hwɛ n'ano no DVI saa na shape ne ti ɛno ni DVI no pins no male ni ɛne female ni ɛne VGA cables no ɛno so na waba RJ11 ne RJ4548 male ɛne female ti wei na port ana network port saa na mo frɛ no coaxial cable when you have TV, two or multi TV or free and a DSTV, you may be using a coaxial cable. You know, if you who say that way you use BNC cable, so connector with BNC connector, or they are short cable in a bini BNC you and I had a connector na asha. My what to me they should decode and and only you want male and then female channel so. Nti yabaha wahu color yi ɛwɔ ha yi ɛno bi ni color way ɛno ni nti wahu wei no ɛyɛ females wei da ha yi ɛyɛ male nti wei obetumi de ahyɛ wei mu baako ana ɔde bɛba bɛhyɛ ase ha na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ bia nti da ase sɛ wohu adeɛ no wei yɛ Molex sɛ na mde kankan no computer system unit data bear from 1998 to 2000 computer system unit data no be share we bi no ka se kura no bo our system unit we bi na wo ana ukura we bi SATA cable we anyway and friend SATA cable friend here pa na we ne friend IDE di channel so mama and your power the power no channel so here way around any two flats. The way so. 3 flats. The way we share me 2 flats. We share we. To 2 pins, 3 pins. But you want a round. You want a square, so let's say rectangle send your back and be nti yebenya 2 pins round and way or a laptop charger no transformer no the cord no we be connecting to make the charger complete the transformer cord no say net na sira wo ema no esa wo hwe plug no na no especially power no I check o socket and say office so ufie o no when you right one yes I better na feji say who chiro you become uncomfortable later just o hwe your friend saying an adapter your friend multi socket what they share so answer ayedwuma ni hina is stressful do talk computer make sure say unim socket na ebo wo dan ho and our office ho no holes no port no unim shape answer we na your friend composite me say we hu bi da TV no me say we bi na they are connected say ye we bi a we use HDMI we RJ45 and we so microphone plugs and jack into no your computer nechi backside into power port mouse and keyboard speaker network and the mouse pointer and USB any microphone and speaker jacks DVI fight one and I went to the into okay when I want clear into when we port we once you draw mouse out when we support the keyboard down we once you draw printer ade ba kwa esa o share so say ICT common sense when colors in so room very very key to share so any shapes no symbols no nti o ya ICT a san no man hina no e say we ni hina kwa adwendwen ni shape no the color no drawings I draw no hu hina here when we there okay monitor teacher says port we monitor na edition we a female and we a male that means for shape no the same type of shape na no teacher say betumi connect monitors ni ba ko ye in na ba ko ye out betumi 2 monitors 1 system unit wo dey ama no e be ye adwuma hwe ha we there just support we ejina ho for network and that's it Tiamra, why are the colors on connectors different? I said different colors. Okay. Colors and different. Why are they different? Connections on the back of a computer may be color coded to help locate the appropriate port for a peripheral. Into keyboard, say a purple, mouse you green, serial port, a cyan, printer a violet. Into shade. Your kind keyboard any color ben a woman with keyboard na down color ben and the mouse no color ben into yes and you say keyboard a purple and the mouse green into share purple mouse green color printer I say printer then sorry printer violet into share printer violet color okay yanto aswe I say monitor VG a blue color any monitor DVI a white DVI ni edikan hu white VG see blue line out that is headphones lime green line in microphone pink audio in gray and joystick yellow fatu adwum nti sanhwe ni bi well blue ejina ho ma VG share microphone I say then microphone I say microphone here then pink okay color pink me that's it I don't think also see actually video no say a content ma feature me because YouTube ni international check data ni nti say quality but we try wa adwen san ko echi na hwe video robo apa comment bra that's it